Is a manufacturer of high-quality airsoft replicas, and it consists of three series: the core series, edge series, and one series. We can start with the core one. For now, is the basic line. The receiver is made from polymer reinforced with nylon fiber, so it's very durable and also very flexible, as you can see. With polymer you have the receiver and the buffer tube. All the other parts are made from metal, so you have full metal front, including the rail and the outer valve. You have the quick spring change system in it, so you need around 1 minute to change the spring. Only use one screwdriver. Inside the gearbox you have the gearbox ready for M140 spring, so it's also ready for upgrades. Inside you also have the rotary hop-up, so it's something quite new on the market, I mean not so popular, and you have in it. So as for the polymer line, the prices, I think it's really good. It starts from 90 euros and ends at 120 euros. The second line is the line we call the one. It's full metal line. The Specna starts their brand with this line. For example, here we have very nice quick spring change system, because the only thing you need to change the spring is to unscrew this knob and pull it out, and here you can unscrew this and you have the direct access to the spring guide. So it is really simple to change the spring also here. And here, as I said, the receiver is made from metal. The third line of is the edge line, is the new one. Here we have only the prototypes. It's also the full metal one. It has the similar construction like the core one, so it has the quick spring change system based on the system. So you need only around 1 minute to change the spring. And what is really important for all of the Specna Arms replicas, here you can find the hologram. The same hologram you can find on the box and on the individual certificate you received with the replica. So this means the replica passed the QC test in the factory. So it proves the quality of the replica. And last thing, now the Specna Arms has around about 100 different models in all of these lines, so very wide range of models in various colors, in the black, grey, half tan and some half red series. So that's what I can briefly say about this Specna Arms brand.